not only do we want to show you the best restaurants here in North Goa, but at the same time we don't want to miss out on the amazing little eateries that we have that serve authentic Goan food here. Good evening guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin and Adrian is there with me as well. And we are in Arpora right now, opposite this place called Bale. So if you watched my last video, I was talking about how expensive it is, and we have come to this wonderful place we've been planning since a long time. So this place is called Om Sai Goan Fast Food, yeah. And just look at this. So it's a lovely little place on the main road, and we have chosen this table for ourselves. So Adrian is right here with me, and we were going through the menu. So yes, it's a small menu that they have, but we are here for the kafrial and the roast omelette, and we might even go for the chicken chili. And Adrian has, okay, let me show you the items that you get here, and that's the price. And yeah, these are the drinks. So we have gone for the fresh lime ginger, right? So let me show you around. So if you see here, if you want to have a look at the road, enjoy the view and eat your food, this table is a great table. And let me come here towards the corner. So that's where they have a little setup where I'm guessing they make the omelette. Yeah, so lots of eggs. And what I like is the place is very well maintained, neat and tidy. It's small, but I like these lovely looking tiles here. And here there is a guy as well who is preparing the ginger and lime soda. Yeah, that's the one. This is 7 p.m. and even the cow knows that she will get food here at around 7. So that's nice to see. Every day?
Yeah.
Ah, he's a bull.
3 o'clock also.
Okay, 3 o'clock in the night.
Yes, because we are winding up and all everything.
Ah. Okay, look at this, how cool this is. Right. So I'm going to speak to Prathamesh. He's in there. I'm sorry, your name?
My name is Prachi.
Prachi. Yes. So Prachi is the one who handles the cooking here as well, along with Prathamesh and his
With
mom.
mummy, yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you. Right. So this is a very local place. It's nice to see here, and this board says it all. It says your mummy cooks. So yes, we're going to definitely get some authentic Goan food here. Besides the small menu on the table, they have this here as well. We met Prachi earlier and she was feeding the cow there. So she told me that the cow comes here every day at 7 p.m. and 3 in the night. And guys, we have Prathamesh. Yeah. So Prathamesh and myself, we had a long chat about kafrial. Yeah, he gave me so much information. So yes, Prathamesh and his mom and Prachi, they handle the cooking here.
Correct.
So Prathamesh, over to you. Please let us know a little bit about Om Sai Fast Food.
First of all, thank you. Thank you for taking your time and coming here. And I'm sure you'll have, at the end of the day, you'll have more idea about kafrial. And I'm sure also you'll love the taste and the food. And then you can judge me at the
I'm
last.
getting the fragrance bit by bit. I don't know.
Yes, because she's, my mother is already doing it.
Yeah.
You know, she's getting it prepared for the day. So, yeah. So, I started this business back in 2018. Earlier, I was into sales industry. I worked in hotels also.
Okay.
So I had a bit knowledge about food, catering, and it was always a wish. I always had a wish that I would have a restaurant like this.
Nice.
So back in 2018, when I got prepared everything, I got my stuff, and I thought I would open a small cafe. It turned out to be a disaster. So a lady who promised me that she would offer me a shop for so and so price didn't end up giving me. So I was betrayed, and I had all the kitchen equipments with me. And I had no clue what I would do. So somehow we gathered some courage, and initially my mother said, why don't you start with a small food cart, you know. I was like, yeah, yes, that's how we started in Para.
I saw an old video.
Yeah.
Just next to the main road.
Yes. So in 2018, when I asked my mother said, why don't you start with a cart? And at the start, I was very hesitated because back in 2018, no, like 2018, there was no reels, there was no Instagram, only YouTubers.
Yeah.
People who used to only follow YouTubers. So it was not so famous. Now what is happening? Everybody or every second Goan is thinking that yes, we need to open business rather than going abroad, which is a very good thing. I am really loving it that the young guys are getting into business. It's a very nice thing. So what happened was at that point of time, my mother said, "Why don't you start with a small food cart?" At the start, I was very hesitated, saying that how we would cope up. Now we don't have that idea, and you know how I was not very convinced. Then I actually sat down and I jotted a few, I did some research here and there, and I found it confident. We started there, and then onward it was a total miracle. Okay, miracle in the sense, yes, we worked very hard for it. I used to wait till 3 o'clock just to sell one kafrial so that I would just have a break even. But then slowly, I would really want to mention that YouTuber also. His name is Injaraz. Okay. He did the video for me. And then onwards, the reels came into market. The TikTok was stopped and the reels started coming in the COVID time. And then we never looked back. It was just going, we were just, taking off.
And I saw even the cheesy Goan, she was here for
Yes,
one of the reasons.
yes. Cheesy Goan first, she had come, she had done a post. Then the second time she came, she did videos and it really helped us. So it really went, beyond our expectation.
She covers a lot of places in Goa. She's doing a very good job and she shows the
Yes.
authentic places.
Yes, again, correct. Not only her, but there are a couple of 2-3 them who are actually doing a very good job in terms of influencer. So she helped me out, and we did really well from there. And slowly, we started gathering more, and then I could achieve this dream. So I always had a dream that I would have a restaurant for myself, wherein I wanted people to come and enjoy the good food. Till now, you can check my pages on both the ones. The previous one, which is Om Sai Goan Fast Food Parra, and one which is Om Sai Goan Fast Food Arpara. You see both the reviews, you will find only comments which says the food was excellent, the food is amazing, it's nice, it's affordable, it's amazing, his mother does the cooking, the host is nice. I feel that is happening repeatedly, consecutive years for the last 6 years is because I love feeding good food.
Yeah.
See, you will get good food anywhere.
Mhm.
If you have money and price, you can go out and you will get 10 different places. What makes me stand out of the crowd is I don't only see the money part, but I love feeding. So when people slightly, if I see some plates up and down, and if somebody has left over, I go and ask the guest, like, is there anything wrong? Is something you did not like? You want to pass on the feedback? So most of the time it's like, no, we are full and I'm just done. Or 90% of the time they are always happy with the food, And most of the time I get good comments, and that's how I feel my enthusiasm of serving the guest in the right way has helped me out. So that is the journey of 2018 to now 2025, and I'm just giving you a small thing. We have something written there called Mummy Cooks.
Yeah, I showed that.
Yes. What we are trying to do is we are trying to rebrand now.
Yeah.
We are trying to have something is coming up.
Is the name going to change?
Yes, there could be changing in name because I believe it's the world of Instagram. But we are still in two phase. Or I might keep this one, and the second one which is coming up might have the name which is Mummy Cooks. And then again we could think over whether we need to change here or not. But as of now, we are planning on the second step. After this, we are planning on the second step, expanding a little more, adding on to things, keeping more authentic things which our Goans and tourists are looking for. So we are planning on that. Again, we are starting again in Parra also, but Parra will be slightly different. Again, the name will be changed. So we are trying to work on some things which can help us reach greater heights.
Nice.
So that's the journey of 2018 to 25, and a little bit about me.
Ups and downs, long journey, nice to know. And honestly, as you said, the reviews, we found this place through Google.
Oh,
So
okay.
I did go through the reviews and everything, And I did see that some people mentioned that it was in Para, so those
Yes.
reviews also were nice. I checked that link as well.
Correct.
So I've done my study and then I've come here.
Yeah.
And yes, talking about people visiting, I'm sure many of our viewers who
Yes.
follow us, we've got feedback from restaurants that wherever we visit, they do follow us. So yes, if the food is good, definitely I am sure that
Yes.
people will keep coming.
I say with a lot of pride, or I can say with a lot of convincing, that if your spectators, they really love the food, let them go back to your video and comment. So what will happen? Your other spectators or other viewers,
Yeah.
they'll get more confident that what you do
Yes.
or what I do, okay, is something which is very genuine.
Yeah.
We are just not trying to do a business of promotion, but we are doing something which should where your customers or our customers or your viewers should have a good time. That is my responsibility.
That's great. So thank you so much for taking out the time and
Thank you so much.
from you.
Back to you.
Thank you for giving us all the details, and yes, you guys heard it. If you like the food, if you come here, don't be quiet. Go back to the video and comment on the video. So yes, we are waiting for the food, and as we keep speaking, the fragrance keeps getting
Keeps
intense.
getting better. Yes.
I can
I guess.
smell the grilling of the chicken if
Yes,
that is
yes,
what is
yes,
happening.
yes,
Sharp
All
nose.
So what do? You use the table, and I'll serve you whatever you ask for,
Yeah.
and then you let me know how the things are done.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I'll see you in some time.
Yes, thank you. So guys, we have something special here. So we've taken the Frango e Cafreal, and Prathamesh here is setting it up for us. So what he's doing here is going to flame the rum and pour it over the Cafreal. So they do it right at the end because there are some people who don't want rum in the food. That's the
Yes.
reason why you do it later, right?
Like
So-
some of them who do not want the rum, they can opt out.
Yeah.
But the actual style of the Flango e Capriel is this, and it would be fun and more tastier with the rum.
Yes, absolutely.
So now we have seasoned
Looks
the
amazing already. Wow.
side.
Oh, that's so cool. Something very unique and looks very good. So that has taken off all the alcohol from the
Alcohol
rum.
from the
Yeah.
from the food.
That's
What left behind is
the flavor of the rum.
flavor of the rum.
Great.
We will use this
So
One of
he's
the rest of
the rest of the alcohol. Yeah. And it's going to give it a smoke flavor as well.
smoky flavor.
Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, I can already smell it. Yes, that's quite a bit. And here we have poi and katre bao, and here we have taken a single cross omelette. Yeah.
It is going to be served with your bread. With the bread. Yes, yes. You can make a choice of poi or probably katre. Katre is my favorite, but people prefer with poi. So
I think we'll take both because we have so much.
yes, no. So what you do is you can just give it a try,
Yeah.
and then let me know at the last
Yes,
stage.
definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So usually around this time we don't eat at home because we follow something called intermittent fasting. It helps us because we go for so many food vlogs. So yeah, it helps us keep our weight in check. But anyway, today is a cheat day for us. So let's try this katre pav. We have katre pav here and also poi bread. Both are very famous. Time and again we've mentioned in our videos, but I'll still explain. So this has husk and this is bread inside. It has a very unique flavor. And katre pav again might look a bit similar, but it's shaped like a butterfly if you go to see. But again it tastes different. So I'm going to start with this. Alright. So let me get some pieces from here. As you can see in the kafrial, I can see the onions and capsicum, and I like the size. The chicken here looks chunky. So yeah, I think that's good enough for me to taste. The one thing that is constant from the time we've come here is the fragrance. I'm literally salivating just getting the fragrance from the time we've come here. Okay, let's go for this. obviously because it's Kaprial, you can get all the flavor from all the green masala, and what is giving it a twist is the rum. And because he's got rid of all the alcohol, you can get the flavor of the rum, but it is very subtle. And besides that, there's even capsicum in there. So yes, it's a very very good start. We are even waiting for cocktail, the regular one, but this guys is very nice. Like, I didn't expect it, with the rum and everything to still retain all the very good cocktail flavors. But yes, it is tasting superb, and as you can see here, the quantity is quite good enough for 2 people. And we've been waiting for a while, for around 20-25 minutes, because everything is made fresh here. And next to me is the raw omelette, so next up I'm going to try that. So this is done for now. Now let's try this with the poi bread. So as you can see here, this is the chicken shakuti gravy, and the color looks very nice, dark green color. Wow. The gravy itself is so good, and I'm getting really nice, very very strong flavors of the masala. It's a bit spicy, but I love it that way. Let's squeeze some lime over it, and let's have it with the egg. So yes, we do have more coming up. We even have chicken chili that is coming up. But yeah, that's the right way to do it. Get in some onions and cabbage as well in there. Perfect. That's how you would want your raw omelette. Very nice, very good flavor. And the twist here is that they've even given all the cabbage and the coriander and all that. When you squeeze a bit of lime, it tastes very good. That's not it. The gravy has some very very good Goan masalas. Now let's taste the chicken. Let me show you. I've just slowly pinched this, and look how soft it is. So literally it is falling off the bone. So and Adrian and myself are going to enjoy this right now. Take a small break, and we have some more food coming up. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. This is the regular chicken kafrial that we have, and this is a complete leg piece. And this is our kafrial gravy that we have here. So let's pour all of this lovely gravy on this, and we have two here. The frango is all over, just one piece is left, and the raw omelette has disappeared. So we are thoroughly enjoying the food. We've ordered for some more poi as well. In fact, let me take a fresh one because this is hot. Let's keep this here. So I like that these guys have given a decent amount of gravy. Now I flipped over to the side of the chicken where there is skin and there is meat and there is a lot of meat. And as you can see here, the skin and the meat is just falling apart. Let's taste this. The grilled flavor from the chicken is giving it a very very good flavor, and the chicken kafrial gravy just like the frango, gravy is excellent as well. In fact, many people around us, chicken chili, yeah, thank you. Many people around us came for this. So yeah, Let me take one more bite because I liked it. And I love some chicken with the skin on it. And the gravy, and yeah, I missed out something. Let me add some onion and cabbage. Already squeezed lime over it. Now this has sealed the deal. This is proper. Now we have another plate. Let's switch over. Chicken chili. So yes, it did take a while for us to get our order, around 20-25 minutes. But I guess they make everything fresh, and everything as you get on the table is piping hot. Literally piping hot. Wow. This is very good. Again, amazing the quantity of chicken that they have given us here. And the chicken chili is again good enough for 2 people. And about this kafrial, if you ask me personally, I enjoyed this one more, the frango. No doubt this is good as well, but personally I really enjoyed this one. And the rest have been excellent. I just thought of comparing because both are kafrial. And in case if you're here, if you want to try something, and if you're okay with them pouring rum and burning off the alcohol and having that, if you're fine with that, I suggest to go for this one. Yet again, we are going to finish this off. We wanted to take this takeaway, but it has disappeared. Maybe some of this will take it home because we are very hungry while we were waiting. And yeah, the fragrance that kept coming from the kitchen, it kept us making more hungry. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I'm glad that we keep finding such hidden gems or such places which many Goans know, but outside people who are from other states or from other countries, you guys don't know it. That's why I called it a hidden gem. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.